So now you are in peroxisome. Oh, boleh sebenarnya tekan kuat-kuat sikit. Peroxisome. Okay. So what happens to glycolate in peroxisome? So glycolate in peroxisome will be oxidized. Okay. So when it oxidized, meaning that oxygen is what? Added or removed? Removed. Look at this. Oxygen is added to it. Okay. So the enzyme responsible for this should be glycolate oxidase. Is that correct? Is it? Yes or no? Oxidase. To yield glyoxylate. Okay. So plus H2O2. This is peroxide. That's why the name is peroxisome, because it produces peroxide. So you get your glycolate reacts with oxygen. Now you get a new compound called glyoxylate plus peroxide. Okay. This glyoxylate will proceed with another reaction. However, just a side reaction, this H2O2 is very, very damaging. Right? It is so damaging because you can use it to bleach. So plants will break down H2O2 on the sideline using the enzyme catalase. So catalase, it breaks down. Now you get H2O plus oxygen. 2 times of breaking down, you will get a molecule of oxygen, O2. Okay, and the reaction here, in here, will be number 4. This is the main reaction. Glycolate converted to glyoxylate. Glyoxylate proceed with the next step. However, H2O2 peroxide is very damaging. So this hydrogen peroxide on the sideline will be neutralized. You can call it neutralized. Will be neutralized by the action of catalase. Catalase means it breaks down. It breaks down as a water and oxygen. 2 times breakdown, you got a molecule O2 of oxygen. Okay. Now coming back to glyoxylate. So what happens to glyoxylate now? So this glyoxylate, it will now react. Remember, you are still in peroxisome, okay? Glyoxylate now reacts with an amino acid called glutamate. Okay, glutamate, and this is a special process because it uses one amino acid to make another amino acid. So in this case here, glyoxylate here reacts with glutamate in order to produce glycine plus 2-oxoglutarate. Okay, and the enzyme responsible for this conversion to get glycine and 2-oxoglutarate, this is called is it glutamate? Glutamate. No, not glutamate. Glyoxylate. It should be glyoxylate first. Glyoxylate column aminotransferase. You see this enzyme aminotransferase, meaning that this process here in the book you will say is called transamination. it uses glutamate, and then it reacts with glyoxylate to get a new amino acid. Glutamate is an amino acid. Okay, glutamate is an amino acid, but this enzyme do the reshuffling and rearranging to get a glycine. What about these 2-oxoglutarate? These actually maybe in you when you learn your biochemistry, do you learn Krebs cycle? Krebs cycle has a molecule in there called alpha ketoglutarate. So this is the synonym as alpha ketoglutarate. It is an intermediate in the Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle, right? What's the function of this thing? This thing actually you will see in the cycle involve over and over again whenever there is an involvement to create an amino acid from other amino acids. Okay, meaning that this newly synthesized amino acid not from any precursor, it's actually from other amino acid gets converted. When conversion happen through the process of transamination, this is needed. Okay. To prove you to that point, you can see that 2-oxoglutarate is being used again in reaction number 8. When you want to convert amino acid serine to hydroxypyruvate, you use that again, right? And number 12, you use that again to convert glutamine back into glutamate. They're changing to, from one form to another. Okay, right. So oxoglutarate, we're not talking about it because that is the reactants in many other things. You see, oxoglutarate can go here, can jump here, can go to chloroplast. Now we want to proceed here.